Service Cloud for Lightning Experience. Set up customer service for your business. Begin your service journey. Important: if you're brand new to customer service with Salesforce, start here. Service Cloud Basic for Salesforce Classic module is for trailblazers, already is up and running with Salesforce Classic and covers similar things. If you're exploring Service Cloud for the first time, you're in the right place. You will learn about the latest features to wow your customers and service team. So Salesforce Classic, I think right now I'm recording this video in May 2020, so I think they are more or less phasing this out. I personally use Salesforce at work, and I haven't used the classic version in years, so I'll just continue with this one. Learning objectives. After completing this unit, you will be able to describe what Service Cloud is, describe key benefits of the Lightning Service Console, create and update a customer case. Why care about service? Like most companies, your Mayor Solar is only as good as its customer service. The Southwest-based supplier of solar energy components is growing from a local player to a regional one, and they recently opened a second distribution center in a neighboring state. But solar energy customers have options, and if they don't get the service they want, they can go elsewhere. But not only that, they can also influence their circle of friends, family, co-workers, and even social media followers to go elsewhere. The CEO of Mayor Solar, Sita Nagaban Alvarez, has heard that her company is putting customers through a frustrating service circus. Alicia emailed support 3 times but never received a response. Greg phoned the company with a quick question, but he was put on hold for 50 minutes. Colleen reached out to Mayor Solar on social media, but her post was ignored, and it made her feel alone, unliked, and unimportant. Sita is worried if her company gets a reputation as a service circus, company growth will vanish. She doesn't want any customers to walk away thinking Mayor Solar is a bunch of clowns. To make matters worse, Sita recently read that 70% of customers say technology has made it easier than ever to take their business elsewhere. And more than half, 52% of customers, are likely to switch brands if a company doesn't make an effort to personalize communications. Sita sees how a service can have a largest impact on Mayor Solar's brand. Today's hyper-connected world has put in new expectations on service. Customers want positive personal experiences whenever they are engaged in store, online, from email, mobile devices, and more. Sita envisions a new service model for a company where customers can reach out to their team from any device or communication channel and receive helpful interaction with build loyal relationships and drive future sales. To help you with your service journey, we follow Mayor Solar through their service adventure. We watch this fast-growing renewable energy company of 200 employees figure out what they can do with Service Cloud to make their customers loyal and support agents happy. What is Service Cloud? Sita and her CEO, co-founder, and husband Roberto have spent the last 20 years of their lives creating Mayor Solar. They know they need to improve the company's customer service, but they don't have time to research or experiment with new technology. Roberto knows a little about Salesforce since the sales team uses it. He asks, what is Service Cloud? Service Cloud is an easy-to-use customer service application that can help you provide and track excellent service. It keeps your customers happy and your support team sane, whether your customers reach out to you by email, phone, social media, or other channels from desktop, mobile devices, or apps. You can get started with Service Cloud quickly with clicks, not code. Here is how. Service Console. At the heart of Service Cloud is the Service Console. The console is a help desk that lets anyone on your service team or anyone at your company see a personalized view of each customer and their case. Case management. A case is a customizable record in Salesforce that tracks and describes the customer's issue, complaint, request, you name it. All unifying information about customers is stored on a case, including account, contact, product, history data, so that anyone on your service team can jump in to help. Channels, digital engagement. Whether the case arrived by email, phone call, web chat, social media, or text message, a support agent can quickly respond to it from the console. Agents can track any useful information and engage with customers on their favorite channels, devices, or apps to provide a great customer service experience. Automatic workflows. When a case arrives, its information is automatically assessed and routed to the right people to match any custom workflow set up for your team. Notifications set up your service team on track before they miss any key times, required responses, or service agreements. Knowledge base. Find, share, and store articles or answers related to cases to speed up service. All let customers find answers on their own from your service, self-service, website, or community. Instant metrics. Information about cases is available in service metrics to gauge your business response time, resolution times, and overall service health. Use data to identify strengths and gaps and make decisions on how to deliver better, faster service. Mobile and field service ready. Since Service Cloud is part of your Salesforce platform, all of your business data, customized process, and unique workflows come together in one simple place. You can even see it all on your mobile phone or tablet out in the field. Service for everyone. Salesforce is committed to providing accessible products for all individuals, including your service team members working with assistive technology such as speech recognition software and screen readers. Accessibility isn't a special feature, it's universally designed into features for Service Cloud. Automatic updates for the future. With each Salesforce release, you automatically get the latest technologies to position your support team for the future and the fourth industrial revolution, including artificial intelligence (AI) for predictive service. And with the App Exchange, a marketplace where you can buy or find free Salesforce applications, you can choose from a variety of apps to help your team and customers. See how Service Cloud works, watch this video. Let's see how long this is.
Today's connected customers expect service to be as instant.
I would say probably like 3 minutes. And you probably won't be able to hear much, but I'm gonna pause this really quick and watch through it. So the video basically went through the whole journey from the customer sending an email to the customer service rep looking at the case and handling it, and also using the knowledge base for inserting something there, and that's what the video was showing. So let's continue here. Sita likes how Service Cloud matches her vision of supporting customers from any device or channel to build loyal relationships. Roberto likes how a single app on the Salesforce platform they already use keeps customer information in one place. Service Cloud looks like it can put an end to their service circus. Benefits to the console. Roberto likes the idea of a help desk. No more random customer emails lost in an inbox. No more sticky notes about customers' calls misplaced on monitors. Roberto asks, so what does this console actually do for me? Let's take a look at the console and how it makes Service Cloud simple. So here we see it, one split views. From the start you can see a list of cases alongside your workspace, so to quickly work through incoming customer issues. So here you see the incoming customer issues, new cases, related to records and related list components. So that would be 2. Right out of the box you can see information related to a customer to get a well-rounded picture of their issue and who they are. Jump to lists of similar cases and work off lists to keep your cases organized. And number 3, highlights panel component. Without configuring a thing, spot exactly what you need front and center to respond to customers quickly. 4, compact case feed. Understand case progression and case history at a glance with a news-like service feed and pre-configured pages. Colorful icons help you distinguish between people and interactions instantly, and you can add a quick comment to help your customer or team. You can see that here, the feed. You can pause there, log a call, email, or close a case. Knowledge component. See suggested articles from your knowledge base to solve cases faster. So that is number 5 here. And the number 6, pre-configured utility bar. Increase productivity with tools such as Note to jot things down or History to get back to recently viewed records. That's here. Tip: to increase user productivity in your console, consider installing in-app guidance boost service user productivity in Lightning Experience. To learn more about this app exchange package from Salesforce Lab, visit the user engagement module on Trailhead. So it's basically when they use this for the first time, there's some guidance to show them like what everything is about, so you don't need to educate them manually. Create a case. Sita and Roberto like what they've seen of Service Cloud as decision makers. They want more than a demo. They want to create a case and test the console. Let's join them in, seeing how easy it is to track a customer's issue. John Amos called to say, "Hey, I never got my solar panels." Now let's walk through the process of creating a case in the console for John's issue. If you have a Trailhead playground, follow along and enable Lightning Experience. Log into your organization, and if you're in Salesforce Classic, switch to Lightning Experience. So let's go here to the service console. The service here, I'm not really sure if we are actually there. I don't think so, but let's see. It looks the same. So let's go to cases. There you have some dashboard here for service. Dynamic dashboard, let's have a look there. Maybe it's different from service console. Oh yes, it's different. I might be wrong. I was always thinking, like, why does it look so different? Add the plus icon, then new case. Yeah, we don't really have any kind of overview here, so let's go to the dashboards, have a look, dynamic dashboard. on dashboards, search dashboard service. Support dashboards. Those are what we need. Customer information. Oh, it's more like an admin view. I'm not really sure like how we get this kind of view, but anyway, let's just go to the cases and open some case here. Laptop not working. Okay, now it kind of looks like this, so that's, I was expecting something different. So let's create a new case here, go to plus and log a new case. Yeah, that doesn't look like it. Guess we can create a new case here, but there it doesn't show. It's not a global action. We can set this up somewhere, but that's just create a new case like this. Search for John Amos as an existing contact. If you don't see him, select new contact, and that's John Amos, and save. In the status, leave the value as new because it's a brand new case. So this is product support. No John there, let's create him as a contact. John Amos. Product. Let's see if they check anything at the end. No, it's just something to follow along, so don't need to get it exactly right. Missing solar panels for next week's installation never arrived. Oops. Value does not exist. Okay, I probably have some weird rule there or something, I don't know. Save this without a contact. Playground is sometimes a bit weird, and if you have done a lot of different modules, you have like all kinds of settings that will conflict with whatever you're trying to do, so that might lead to issues like mine, which is fairly certainly related to something I did before in another module somewhere. To update the case or to see who has commented on it, click the Cases tab and select the case. So we're already there, and contact name is empty because we can't really edit for some reason. And you can also add your own comment to the case feed, select post type and what you want to say, and click save. Based on what Sita and Roberto have seen, they think Service Cloud is a good customer support option for Usamir Solar, but they want another option. They're interested in hearing what their Rockstar system admins, Maria Jimenez, thinks. So what is Service Cloud? An easy-to-use customer service application, a customer service application for Lightning, a console available on the Salesforce platform, a feed to track customers in Lightning. What is the Service Cloud? An easy-to-use customer service application, a customer service application for Lightning, a console available on the Salesforce platform, a feed to track customers in Lightning. A console available, I would say yes. Also say A. Easy to use customer, let's see what they want to see, but this is not too wrong either. So what are key benefits of using the Lightning Service Console? Pre-configured service lists, feeds and articles, out-of-the-box support and customer history, pre-configured pages, productivity tools for service, ClickPath for better and more productivity, out-of-the-box support and customer history, I would say. Benefits. Reconfigured. Those tools and customizations. Service list on the feed. Yeah, I would say this is kind of like I don't know, like between A and B. Service list. I don't really use the word here, I think. Service list. Let's just go for B. I mean, A isn't wrong either. Service list, I'm not sure what they mean with that. Like the case list or something. Let's just go for B, because it's the most straightforward. And to update a customer case with a comment, select the case from the case tab and share a post. Create a case and contact and then click save. Click the comment on case icon. Select the case from the cases tab and click update. That would be a well, let's check if I got the 100 points. The second one, I'm not really sure. No, it's wrong. Then I would go for A. No, that's also incorrect. Pre-configured pages and productivity tools for services. Then I would go with that tricky one. But we got the at least 25 points. Now you know what I did wrong. So let's tackle the next unit.